Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally hit 50 subs. Yeah, I know, right? It's insane. And we're gonna do a Q&A video, and what that means is you guys ask questions and I answer them. So what you guys are gonna do, you guys are gonna drop a comment on this video of what question you guys want to ask, and also leave your name. Tell me if you want your name included. Yeah. And I also got my first play button, so we're gonna take a look at that, the unboxing of it. Okay guys, we have just got a shipping from YouTube, and I do not know what it is, so we're gonna check it out right now. And so we're just gonna open this. Yo, what? No way! Look at this. This is an actual play button. It's made out of cardboard, presented to Gunmastro for 50 subs. No way, guys. This is actually insane. Yeah, I'm just kidding. This is not from YouTube. This is actually from my brother. He made it for me. Thanks to my brother for making this. Yeah, so I got my first cardboard play button. So, yeah, I'm successful. Great.